Calathia are also considered pet-friendly plants, making them great plant picks for anyone that shares a space with curious pets. In this video, I share some ideas of how to care your indoor or outdoor Kalathia plants. How much sunlight does a Kalathia need? Kalathias thrives in medium to bright indirect light but can tolerate low indirect light. How often should you water a Kalathia? Water every 1 to 2 weeks, allowing the soil to dry out halfway down between watering. Expect to water more often in brighter light and less often in lower light. Do Kalathias needs humidity? Kalathia prefers high humidity if possible, considering incorporating fine mist mister or humidifier to boost humidity level indoor. What temperature do Kalathias like? Like most popular houseplants, Kalathias prefers temperature in the 65 °F to 85 °F. Similar to their tropical native habit, it is best not to let the temperature go below 60 °F to avoid cold damage. What is the best soil for Kalathias? Kalathias prefers a well-draining potting soil or mix. Look for the ingredient like coco peat, compost, worm casting and perlite. This provides nutrients and help maintain moisture. The Kalathia plant is a popular plant used for indoor office decoration purpose. It is often used in home and business as well. It is a type of plant that prefers indirect light, which means make it perfect for indoor usage and office buildings. Kalathia plants are popular for indoor purpose because they are generally easy to care for and they look great, offering bright green plant to liven up indoor space. The Kalathya growth depend on the type of Kalathia plant you have in your home or business. Like a lot of low light plants, Kalathia tend to grow fairly slow. They are considered to grow at a moderate fast rate, but they will not grow and spread out over their pods and become a problem. In fact, Kalathia plants usually will only grow to about 2 feet in height and then stop. After that, the only pruning you need to do is that of yellow, crispy or brown leaves. As for flowers, Kalathia do often bloom in the wild, but they tend not to bloom much indoors. There are some exceptions such as Kalathia crocta species of Kalathia, which will produce beautiful orange colored flowers. Most of the other species of Kalathia plants just have bright, colorful green leaves with the other colors on the underside of their leaves. If you take care to water the right amount with the right type of water, keep the humidity level and indoor air temperature just right, you can have beautiful green plants that will brighten up office and indoor spaces.